Hi, Phil at the Car House, UK in East Yorkshire. Today we're having a look around this. We've got a nice Hyundai i800, nice people carrier. So stick with us, it's going to take us a few minutes. We'll have a walk around to look at the condition, we'll look at some of the features, and we'll even look at service history as well. So here she is, the i800. It's the SE Nav model, finished in metallic silver. I've got to say they are brilliant, these. I'm a big fan of the people carriers. We run one personally, my wife's got one. Well, she's got a Ford, not a Hyundai, but we've got 3 young kids and they are just perfect. We looked at a 7-seater car, but the boot in these is massive. You can still get a good amount of child seats in the back. And anyway, I'll stop waffling. Like I said, metallic silver paint, lovely condition, polished up really well. Good thing is when you got little ones in the back, it's these sliding doors. Really good for parking. So not only do you have 3 rear seats, but if I pull the handle, bear with me because I'm doing it one-handed, got another 3 in the back, so it is a nice 8-seater. Now looking into your front, it is your classic Hyundai layout, so we'll look at the nav screen shortly. Just want to show you it is 2 seats in the front, plenty of room for everyone in here. In fact, I'll jump in, start it up, and then we'll look at some of the features in closer detail. The view from the driver's seat, as you'd expect, nice quality materials, leather steering wheel. Mileages of today, if I can get this camera to focus. Sorry, I am horrendous with technology. What have I done here? What an idiot. I think that says 75,376. Well, it does, I don't think. I can see it with my eyes. Onto your sat-nav screen. So sat-nav is one of the options on the car. So you've got satellite navigation, Bluetooth connectivity. You do have USB inputs as well, auxiliary input if you still use that these days. You're going to expect climate control. We do have heated front seats. And yeah, they're just nice big practical cars, little cubby holes all over. There is a cup holder slides out if memory serves me right. There we go. 6-speed gearbox, and all in all, nice place to be. You have plenty of room to be able to see the little ones in the back as well. That's the big reason people are going to buy these, but as well as the number of seats, you are going to get a huge boot. Plenty of height on there. Good news as well, we do have a towbar fitted. I'll check the electrics for you. 7-pin. I'll have a walk around to look at the condition. I'll start at the front here and just sort of work my way around. In fact, before I do that, we'll start with the service history. I'll put a screenshot on here of all the dates and mileages for your service intervals. Really good service history. The car's only ever been used privately, so it's basically been a family car, and that reflects in the history it's had as well. So I'll try and get as close to the paintwork as I can as I go around, try and get as close to the wheels, but I don't think anybody will be disappointed with this one when they come to look at it. If there's anything you spot as I go around, feel free to leave us a comment, send a message. I'll try and point anything out, but there's nothing I can see personally. Graham the valeter has just done a nice machine polish on it, it's come up really well. Let's go down the passenger side of the car. Well, it's had an aftermarket tint on the rear windows. I'm going to leave that on because I think people would rather it be on than off, but if you do want it taken off, it is quite easy for us to do. You just have to let us know. Well, that's the Hyundai i800. So if you found this video via YouTube, you just have to click the link on the description below. It's going to take you through to our website. You can view 40, 50 photos of the car on there. Do all your finance quotes if you need to do. You can be approved in a couple of minutes. If you found us on the usual websites, Autotrader or motors.co.uk, you'll know all about the car anyway. But it is ready to drive away. It can be home with you tomorrow. If you need any further information, just let me know, and we'll see you soon.